Sounds good.
Hello YouTube, it's me PolyC and we're back to you today with another video. Uh, Today I got another Amazon purchase. Most people wouldn't really care about this, but this one here is not only going to protect your dash in the future, it's also going to keep the temperature down in your vehicle. So this one's specifically made for 2024 and above. So we're going into the 2025 model year now already. So this is made specifically for those models. Oh, we got a box within a box here. Thank you, Amazon, for keeping my purchases safe and not being broken. Nice little box to come in. Does it slide out or is it? Oh, it just opens. Okay. So open it. And another bag. Is this? Oh, it's an actual. Oh, a bag for it too. Okay. So, oh wow. So it just pops right open.
Sounds good.
And I'm guessing the black part goes inside. Oh, we'll figure that out. Yeah, opens right up and
Sounds good.
there you go. So we're going to put it inside the car. To get a retrospective of how big this is, well, of course it fits the windshield, but you can see there on the side of the car. Now, this part here, the black part's going to go on the inside, because black obviously attracts heat, and this part's going to face the outside of the windshield. And as of course you can see, it's got a Velcro that you can open, and this is where the mirror part is. So we're going to install that. All right, so first you're going to want to lay it onto your dash like so. So like I said, you want this part to go up to where the rear view mirror is.
Sounds good.
All right, so let's try this thing out. So we're going to push it in as much as we can go. Now this thing's flexible, so I'm guessing it's going to go around everything.
Sounds
I even have a dash cam here. I hope that doesn't get in the way too much. It actually might affect it a bit. So if you have a dash cam, you're probably going to have to unhook it. I only plan on using this when I have it, long, extensive periods of time. It's going to be like hot outside. Like for example, when I park my car and I'm going camping, yeah, this will be perfect for that. Just got to make sure everything is fitting. Oh, fits in there pretty good. Yeah, so this thing's made for this specific vehicle, and you're gonna want to look up your vehicle information to see if it fits yours. This is specifically for the 2024 and 25 Chevy Trax. So there you go, it's in.
Sounds good.
You got to play around with it a bit sometimes. Just make sure it's all the way around the windows, and that it's fitting securely.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so it goes into the crevices and everything. It fits exactly the way it should. All right, guys, so there's how it looks on the outside.
Sounds good.
All right, and it fits exactly the way it should. All right, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one and stay safe.